some non-Americans were saying things like, hey, is it actually safe to keep my property domiciled in the United States of America? If you do something like that, the capital controls, you put the tax on foreigners, as you said, like, don't you face repercussions of just capital exits US shores and S&P goes down and you just get some of the effects that we saw post-Liberation Day?
Absolutely. And that's sort of the crux of why this is the best thing that could ever happen for crypto. Because what do we know? What happens anytime the markets go down? So by definition, mathematically, if you want to reduce the capital account surplus, foreigners must sell stuff. And because it's foreigners parking trillions of dollars of export earnings into American markets, that is basically the basis for outperformance of American property, stock, and bond markets over the last 30 years versus the rest of the world, then mathematically, they must go down if the foreigners leave. But if few people on the margins start leaving, then you get, April 2nd to April 9th. Again, what do we know happens whenever the markets go down, especially the bond market, and volatility goes up? They print the money. The consequence of capital controls is that the Treasury, the Fed, and politicians must all do their part to create policies to provide dollars to replace the foreigners who are leaving. And they're just going to print them. And the consequence will be gold and Bitcoin go through the moon. That's the trade on this sort of rebalancing of the global economy.